How to access your partner portal. You will receive an email from us with your link to access the ID Partner Portal. Follow the link and log in to Microsoft. You will be prompted to add your details. The business justification field is where you can tell us who you are. For example, you are a partner. Request access. And now navigate to Access Packages on the left-hand side. In the Active tab, you will find ID Partners Toolkit. You can select this option and you will be presented with a flyout. Click on here and the partner site will open in a new browser tab. You now have full access to the partner portal where you can find your partner toolkit. Why not bookmark this page for next time?